Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best dowel jig that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Milescraft 1333 Dowel Jig Kit. The Milescraft 1333 Dowel Jig Kit is an innovative and enhanced tool designed for precision and ease in woodworking projects. Featuring improved self-centering capabilities, this handheld dowel jig simplifies alignment for accurate drilling. Equipped with 3 metal bushing sizes, 1/4 of an inch, 5/16 of an inch, 3/8 of an inch, it accommodates various dowel sizes, offering versatility for different applications. The comprehensive kit includes all necessary accessories, ensuring a complete setup for immediate use. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, this upgraded doweling jig simplifies the process, making it an essential addition to your workshop for seamless and accurate dowel joinery. Moving on at number 4, we have Dowel Max Classic Precision Engineered Joining System. The Dowel Max Classic 3/8 Precision Engineered Joining System is a top-tier woodworking tool meticulously crafted for precision and reliability. This system offers exceptional accuracy in joinery, specifically designed around a 3/8 inch dowel size. Renowned for its robust engineering, Dowel Max Classic ensures consistent and tight-fitting joints, enhancing the strength and durability of woodworking projects. With its innovative design, it enables precise alignment and repeatability, making it a favored choice for both professional woodworkers and hobbyists seeking impeccable craftsmanship. The Dowel Max Classic 3/8 system stands as a testament to quality, providing unmatched precision and ease in creating sturdy and flawless joints. At number 3, we have AutoTool Home Dowel Jig 1/4, 5/16, 3/8 Drill Guide. The woodworking dowel jig is a versatile and essential tool for crafting precise wood joints. Equipped with interchangeable metal sleeves for 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8 drill bits, this handheld jig ensures accuracy in drilling holes for dowels. Its sturdy construction and precise drill guide facilitates seamless alignment, enabling woodworkers to create strong and seamless joints effortlessly. Ideal for various woodworking projects, this tool simplifies the doweling process, offering reliability and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this woodworking dowel jig serves as a reliable companion for achieving impeccable wood joints with ease and precision. At number 2, we have Wolfcraft 3,751,405 Dowel Pro Doweling Jig Kit. The Wolfcraft 3,751,405 Dowel Pro Doweling Jig Kit stands out as a comprehensive and user-friendly tool for woodworking enthusiasts. Engineered for precision, this kit simplifies dowel joinery with its versatile features. The jig facilitates accurate drilling for various dowel sizes, ensuring seamless alignment for strong and precise wood joints. Its adjustable fence and hardened steel bushings guarantee stability and durability, making it a reliable choice for both amateur and professional woodworkers. With its easy-to-use design and included accessories, such as drill bits and depth stops, the Wolfcraft Dowel Pro Kit empowers craftsmen to create flawless dowel joints efficiently, enhancing the quality and strength of woodworking projects. And finally at number 1, AutoTool Home Self-Centering Doweling Jig Step Drill. The AutoTool Home Self-Centering Doweling Jig is an essential tool for precise woodworking joints. This kit includes a versatile drill guide and bushing set, allowing for accurate and centered dowel holes in woodworking projects. Its self-centering design simplifies alignment, ensuring precise drilling for seamless wood joints. Suitable for various dowel sizes, this jig kit is ideal for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers. With its user-friendly features and durable construction, the AutoTool Home Doweling Jig enables craftsmen to create strong and reliable joints effortlessly, enhancing the quality and craftsmanship of woodworking endeavors. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.